In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from Google Pay to bank. If you've got a balance sitting in your Google Pay account and you want it in your bank, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish in just a few minutes. We'll use a web browser, and the process works on both a computer and a mobile browser. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account and that your internet connection is stable. First, open your browser and go to wallet.google.com. This is Google's payment center where you can view your balance, payment methods, and recent activity. If prompted, sign in and complete any security checks. The layout may look slightly different depending on your device, but the options we need will be the same. Next, click Payment Methods. This section manages your saved cards and bank accounts, and it's also where you'll access your Google Pay balance. Take a moment to confirm you recognize the payment methods listed and that your bank account is already linked and verified. Now, click Money in Google Pay. Here, you'll see your available balance. If you don't see a balance, it could mean there are no funds to move yet, or that the feature isn't available in your region. Assuming funds are available, we're ready to move them. Click Transfer Out. This starts the withdrawal process from your Google Pay balance to your bank. You'll land on a simple transfer screen. Enter the amount you want to send to your bank. You can move the full balance or just part of it. Double check the number before moving on, especially if you have pending transactions. If you see an error, it may be due to limits on daily or weekly transfers, so adjust the amount if needed. Select the verified bank account where you want the funds to go. You should see your bank listed here. A verified account means you've already linked it and confirmed ownership. If you don't see your bank, you'll need to add and verify it under payment methods before returning to this screen. Finally, click Transfer Out to submit the request. You may see a confirmation screen with the amount, the destination bank, and an estimated arrival time. Most standard transfers are free and typically arrive within a few business days, though exact timing can vary by bank. You'll be able to track the status under your activity or transaction history, and you may receive a confirmation email. That's it. You've successfully transferred money from Google Pay to your bank. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.